how to find someone on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the add icon as shown. Here, you can find and add friends on Snapchat. Scroll down to look for the person that you're looking for under the Find Friends section. If the person you're looking for does not use Snapchat, you can also invite them to Snapchat by sharing your Snapchat profile or by inviting them from your contacts. You can share your profile via copying the link, WhatsApp, messages, etc. You can also tap on the invite button to invite someone from your phone's contact list as shown in here. Another way to find someone is by using the search option on Snapchat. Go back to the previous page and type in the name of the person that you're looking for in the search bar. Once you find the person, tap on the add button beside their profile. You can add as many friends as you want on Snapchat by using these methods. Following these steps, you can easily find someone on Snapchat.